Hi Gemini, so this reading is para sa'yo. So this is for your sun, moon, and especially for your rising sign. So this will be a special time this reading. So kung bago ka, please subscribe, like, and share. You can also find me in Facebook as Iroshan Miranda Advincula, and also in TikTok, and especially in YouTube as Tarot Page Philippines. Tingnan natin, ano bang message para sa'yo? So, tingnan natin ha. So, kahit kailan mo ito mahanap, that means pag nahanap mo itong video na to, that means ito yung moment na kailangan mo itong message na to. Don't forget to share as well. So, gamitin si Rider tsaka Oracle of the Celestial Deities. Okay, so ito yung mga cards mo. So, meron tayo itong 3 of Pentacles. So, 3 kasi is the number of communication. It's also number of expression. Si Pentacles naman, symbol siya ng Earth. Anything about the physical. We have the Ace of Wands. So, Ace kasi, this is the number of beginning and creation. While Wands is a symbol of fire, passions, and energies. When we have here as your last tarot card is the King of Swords. So this is a young, older male energy, and Swords is about air, about the mind and the intellect. And your galing ah. And your deity is Mercury. So number 3, travel, communication, and a wish to adapt, which is also your ruling planet. Ayan, as a Gemini. So kung ang rising mo is Gemini, that is also your chart ruler. So ano bang message para sa'yo? You know what? There are things kasi na your words actually is very powerful. Andoon na, there's a passage na the tongue has the power over life and death, and whoever will use it will eat of its fruit. So andoon na, pansin mo yung mga bata, kapag tinuruan mo, pinaparamdam mo sa kanila, or sinasabi mo sa kanila na ganito lang siya, hindi niya kaya, or ito lang yung capacity niya, they will grow up to realize and have this thinking na, ay, oo nga, ganun lang talaga ako. Magiging katotohanan yun sa kanila. Same thing with you. Huwag ka magpapadala sa mga emotions mo kung pwede. Kung kaya mo, and actually hindi kaya, gawin mo na huwag mong hahayaan na yung salita mo ang maging basis or yung emotions mo, doon mo huhugutin yung mga sasabihin mo. Kalma muna, Gemini. Learn to control your emotions. Paalala lang, you are the captain of the ship, you are the master of your soul. Ibig sabihin lang nun, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na nabigla ako. What ang totoong nangyari? Pinili nating mabigla. Pinili natin na mag-react. But, word of the wise, think before you react. Oo, may moments na nagugulat tayo. But in terms of, especially in decision making, wag kang magpapadala sa mga nararamdaman mo. Kasi mabilis ang balik nun. Just like Mercury can travel very quick, 88 days lang yata siya around the sun, ganun din ang balik ng mga sinasabi mo. Remember, once you give, it comes back to you. And ang balik nito, it's 7 times greater. I think that's in Luke chapter 6:34 yata. So ito na yung moment that you need to use your words wisely. And not to mention din, kung pwede, huwag ka nagkukwento ng mga ibang plans mo kung kani-kanino lang. Iwas tayo dun sa mga negative energy sa pwede na iba to towards your plan, towards what you will be doing. Kumaga, iwas evil eye na lang tayo. Kasi hindi lahat ng tao na nakakasalamuha mo, they can be happy para sa'yo. Madaming tao na hirap sila na makakita ng ibang taong umaangat, who are succeeding in life or merong plan para sa life nila. Not everybody is kakampi mo. Hindi lahat matutuwa na nagiging maganda at maayos ang buhay mo. So this is a moment for you to really control your mouth, control your emotion, and think properly, accordingly, and perfectly. So I hope nakatulong yung reading sa'yo. Remember, the readings are for guidance purposes. Always use your free will wisely. Find me in Facebook as Iroshan Miranda Advincula, and in TikTok, especially in YouTube, as Tarot Page Philippines. So maraming salamat sa'yo. God bless, namaste, Hare Krishna, and blessed be, and hope to see you soon enough. Mula po dito sa Baguio City, again, this is Airo. You all have a great and wonderful day. Bye for now.